Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to fix a cracked natural nail. So right here I have a crack and I get these all the time. My nails just always crack up into the skin area. So I'm going to show you a quick nail hack that's going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to save you a trip of going to the nail shop and getting this fixed. You can actually do this as a DIY at home yourself for as little as maybe $5. So what you want to do is just take a fingernail file and just make sure the nail is filed free of any jagged edges, and you want to buff the top of the nail where that crack is. It's going to remove any oils from the nail as well, and it's going to allow the adhesive to stick and seal the nail properly. So once you have the nail filed, take a tea bag, and what you're going to do is take some scissors and just cut the tea bag open like that, and we're going to empty the tea off to the side because we don't need it. We're going to use this bag as a resin paper, and that's just going to help seal the nail. So what I want to do is just cut the bag just like this, and I'm going to use this little piece here. Now it still has two sides to it like this because I haven't cut it open. You can just go ahead and snip that open just like that, and we're going to measure it to the length of the crack that's in our nail. So this is the crack here, and we're going to take the paper and lay it across, and that's just going to give us an idea of how much paper we're going to need to cover that crack. All right, so what we're going to do is take some glue. What you need is some super glue. This is the Loctite super glue liquid, and you can get this from any beauty supply store, hardware store, or any Sally's that sells nail products. And what you want to do is lay a nice size amount right where the crack is. We're going to set our paper, our tea bag, aka the resin, right over the crack. And you're going to start to see the glue absorb into the paper. That's just what you want it to do. And you're going to use your tweezers and you're going to press the resin into the glue. Now what I'm going to do is cut off some of the excess tea bag because we don't need all that. Go ahead and push your paper into the glue so it can set up really nicely. And I'm also going to apply some glue over top of the paper. I'm calling it a resin because that's actually what it's acting as, is a resin. And this is going to save you guys time and money from going to the beauty shop and having the ladies there fix your nails. You can do it at home. This is a simple, easy DIY, and anyone can do this. This is one of those weaving pins that I took from my mannequin head, and I'm going to use that to tuck the resin under the nail, just like that. Just slide it around the nail and then push it under, and that's just going to help seal the nail from underneath. All right, so now we have our resin folded up underneath the nail. With the excess, we're going to take our nippers and we're going to cut those off. So this is like a cuticle cutter. We're going to take that and we're going to cut that little nip. There you go. All right, that's looking real good. All right, now we're just going to allow that to dry, and I'll come back in a few minutes once it sets, and then we'll buff it, and then we'll put a clear coat over top. So once we have the nail pretty much secure with our resin paper, which is our aka tea bag, we're going to go in with our fingernail file, and we're just going to buff those edges clear and free of any of the tea bag snagging on the side wall of the nail. And guys, this is the easiest nail hack y'all are ever going to experience. I promise you. You see this? It's nice and smooth, and that nail is solid as a rock. That resin tea bag actually worked. So now let's tap and make sure our glue is dry first. Yes, our glue is definitely dry. So now what you want to do, once your glue fully sets up on the nail, just go in with your favorite top coat. I have the LA Colors color glaze gel. This is the Extreme Shine gel-like polish, and this is in the color clear. And I just like to polish my nails just with the clear coat, and that's just going to give it a finishing look. And this is all you're going to need to repair your nail. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Let me know if you would try this DIY nail repair hack, and it will save you time and money, guys. Trust and believe what I'm telling you. This really works. This is the exact method that they're going to use at the nail salon, and they're going to charge you about $50 to do this. Drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you need any more DIYs, hacks, regimens, or routines for different things on this channel, hair problems and no edges and more, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye, y'all.